A search for quick, simple and easy egg recipes usually takes us to either anda bhurji or to omelettes. Well, today I'm making an extremely tedious recipe called Anda Lababdar or Egg Lababdar. I'll of course tell you what it is later, but this I'm going to do under 5 minutes. Hey guys, it's me, the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Get Curried. Well, Lababdar is one of those classic gravy bases which has onions, tomatoes and of course a few spices. Of course it begins with oil, I'll tell you how it is, but it usually is complicated because it's all hand chopped and then you have to saute everything, cook it and then build it up slowly and gradually. What I'm doing is breaking all myths and like I said, a recipe under 5 minutes and I promise. But provided the eggs are cooked to the doneness that you require and is done and ready. First let's begin with onions roughly cut in a mixer jar. To this I'm going to add in ginger, again completely personalized, less more as you like. To this I'm going to add in cloves of garlic and green chilies, again to the kind of spice that you like and prefer. I'm going to crush this, not grind this, remember. Your onion mix is cut and ready. Turn the flame on and I'm going to add in oil. A little more in a lababdar because we need the oil to kind of separate and things like that. Let's begin this recipe with bay leaf and I'm going to add in this mix. I'm going to use this back and I'm also going to crush tomatoes just similarly. Again, crush it, do not grind it into a puree. Done and ready. Allow the onions to cook on high flame and to hasten this process further up, I'm going to add in salt at this stage. It'll start releasing more moisture, caramelize faster. That's a trick for you. You let the onions, the garlic, the green chilies and the ginger cook for a while and then we're going to add in the tomatoes. Well, do not make the mistake of grinding all of this together, otherwise you'll end up getting puree. And along with the tomatoes, let's start adding in the rest of the spices, beginning with red chili powder, a mix for good color as well as spice. Just don't get scared by the quantity, but this is very good in color. Coriander seeds powder, Garam Masala powder, and last but not the least, my most favorite, Kasuri Methi. We need to mix this well. And once that's done, we're going to add in a cup full of water, very important. Another mix, and we need to keep this on medium to high flame covered for 2 minutes. Let's have a quick check. Well, oil has wonderfully released. A quick mix. The next step and the final step, boiled eggs, either sliced, diced or cut into halves. Choice is completely yours. While you're cutting the eggs, remember to keep this going because this will keep releasing oil and that's what's required in a wonderful lababdar. Let's place the eggs. On top of this, as an element of surprise, I'm going to grate one egg. And finally, last but not the least, a green chili. And with this, ladies and gentlemen, off goes the flame. And with this, your eggs lababdar is done and ready, and as promised, under 5 minutes. Well, I hope you like it. And for more such recipes, stay tuned to Get Curried. Bye for now.